Welcome to 119 Crossbrook Cove in Medina, Tennessee, Medina's premier gated community. This is a wonderful 4-bedroom, 4 full bathroom home, and there's so much here to see, we just got to go inside and find out for ourselves. Built in 2021, this one-owner home was purchased during construction, and so the current owners were able to have lots of personal touches added. From the granite countertops, they maintained a brick wall. Just little things like that can be done that make this house just quite unique. With just under 3,300 square feet, this 4-bedroom, 4 full bathroom home really is unique in so many ways. The primary bedroom is on the main floor. It has a trade ceiling. It has a wonderful spa-like feel bath, and then it goes into this amazing custom closet, his and her sides. Another great feature is its direct access to the laundry room. Another great feature of this home is there is a second bedroom downstairs, complete with its own full bathroom. And going up to the second floor is amazing with this great custom staircase. I love it. Upstairs, we have one of 2 bedrooms with huge walk-in closet and its own private bath. Also, upstairs, there's a second bedroom with a large walk-in closet and its own private bath as well. The large media room has space for all your needs.
Yeah, go, go, go!
And one of my favorite parts of this place, of course, is the pool, because I can always come out here and be basking in the sun. Now that you've seen this amazing place, come on by and take a look.